Last time on Junior!
Hey, young man, I see you flying by yourself today. Yes, we're going to see me Auntie Ivalin in Paris. I see. Well, just give me a shout if you need anything. Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones, Jenna Bones. We are drop a bomb.
Wait there, I always say bomb.
Bam!
A
Some
bomb
we are
them
go
ready,
dead.
we are
No,
go
no,
dead.
no. The
What
killer
is
not
the
step
code?
on time.
You fi
No,
beat
some
them, beat them, whoever say them up.
No, don't take away my visa. Don't take away my visa. Junior, wake up. I dream, yeah, I dream. Mommy. Alright, never mind. Just come get up and get ready for school. And you see later, when I can watch you till me reach home. You hear? Wendy, that real?
What you mean if that real? What I talk about, Junior?
Wrestling pan the TV. It real?
Oh, no, Junior. I play, you know. Them a ramp rough.
Okay, Wendy. You can play with me.
Play what, Junior?
Wrestling. Me want ramp rough too.
Junior, you serious? We can't play wrestling.
Well, me I can tell mommy say you nah play with me. And she nah go pay you.
Alright, Junior. Come, we play wrestling.
A few movements later. But wait, what is going on here?
Miss Mavis, is not what they look like.
Junior, me not tell you when me have people I watch you. You not try stop wrestle them.